My dear student of class KG, welcome back to our channel. This is E Square School System official YouTube channel. Here I am, your maths teacher, with another interesting topic. Today we will learn about the concept of big and small. As in previous class, you already taught about this concept, big and small. Today we will learn more about this concept. First of all, I am going to tell you what is the meaning of big. Big means something huge, something huge in amount, in size, in height, in width. कोई चीज़ जो बड़ी हो और हम दो चीज़ों को आपस में कंपेयर करें जिसकी साइज़, जिसका वज़न दूसरी चीज़ से ज़्यादा हो, बड़ा हो, उसे बिग कहा जाता है. एंड अदर इज स्मॉल. Small means the thing which is little in amount, that is called small. Let's start our today's topic. Here you can see two balls. Both balls are same. Their colors is also same, but the difference is one is big and other one is small. How we can differentiate it? You can see this ball is small and this ball is huge. This is big ball. Here you can see two kites are here. One is small and one is big. This kite is small and this kite is big. Another example of big and small, you can see here a big elephant and a small ant. This is a big elephant and this is a small ant. Elephant height is big, elephant weight is bigger than ant, and ant is very little animal, small animal. Another example, egg, one is big one and other one is smaller one. There are three apples you can see here. One is big, bigger and biggest. In the last, my dear student, you can see a picture on your screen. This is the picture from your maths activity book, page number 7. Here is an activity. You have to write B for bigger and S for smaller in the given boxes. How you have to do this activity? First of all, listen to me carefully. Here you can see a jam bottle, two jam bottles. One is small and other one is big, and you can also see a small boxes here, small square here. So you have to put S for smaller jam bottle and B for bigger jam bottle here in these boxes. Okay. Another picture of hen and chick. Same as you have to write B for bigger one and S for smaller one. Same as here, two gift boxes, you have to put B for bigger one. This one is bigger gift box and this is smaller one. Here is another example of balls. B for bigger one and S for smaller one. Can you please differentiate which one is big and which one is small? Yes, this is small. So you have to write S in this box and B in that box. Okay. Two examples of fruits, one is watermelon and other one is peach. You have to write B for bigger one and S for smaller one. This is your home assignment. You have to complete this activity on page number 7 in your maths book. So this was our today's topic. I hope you all understood it nicely. Take care of yourself. Till the next video. Goodbye.